Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to e to the power of s. Later that, we need to do first derivative for the both sides, and we have du equals to e to the power of s ds. Next, we need to change the bounds. When s equals to ln number 4, so I will have ln number 4 in here, and I will put this one gone here to find the value of u. So e to the power of ln number 4, so u equals to number 4. When s equals to this one, so I will put this one gone here, and we can find the value of u. So u in here equals to number 4 with the square root of number 3. This one we change by u square. This one we change by u. This one with the s we change by the u. Next, we have the formula in here. One over a square plus u square du. So we have 1 over a octane of u over 8, and I will put about c. So number 16 we change by 4 square, and now we can apply this formula in here. And I will put the bounds from number 4 to number 4 with the square root of number 3. And now we have the final answer. So I will put this one gone here, number 4 gone here. Now we calculate this one. So we have b over 48. This is the end. Thank you for watching.